Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is so exciting. Oh my god, I can't even contain myself. I'm so excited. Today, I am going to be reviewing and filming this tutorial on the SOPH x Makeup Revolution Extra Spice palette. I'm so excited. I'm sure you guys remember, if you're new here you may have never seen this video, but my dear friend SOPH, who I've known for quite a while now and love so much, she launched an eyeshadow palette with Makeup Revolution and it's absolutely stunning and she did so amazingly well and it was a huge success. Such a success that yes, she has released the 2.0. Look at all these shades. It's just like a slightly brighter version of the original palette. I'm wearing the look on my face right now that I'm about to film for you. The second I saw that there was these yellows and oranges and golds, I knew I wanted to do a sunset eye. Sorry if you can hear those birds, they're having a field day outside for some reason. She also last year launched her highlight palette, which obviously I'm wearing today. So this time around she released, oh my god, 3 lipsticks in the colours Syrup, Fudge and Cake. Oh my god, these lipsticks are beautiful. I just put all of them on for you. You'll see them on my lips in a minute. But these are stunning. Like, stunning. I will link down below my review of the original SOPH x Makeup Revolution palette if you want to hear me gush for a solid 5 minutes about Sophie. So I'm going to keep it brief and try not to cry this time. I am unbelievably proud of Sophie. She is literally like my idol. I think she's incredible. She is the most genuinely wonderful, down-to-earth, normal girl you've ever met, but she's got the most incredible, successful career. She just doesn't ask anything of anyone and she's amazing and she deserves all the success that she is getting. I am so proud of her. So this palette is beautiful. Like, I can't wait to film more looks with this. Guys, comment down below which of these colours you want me to use and I'll film a tutorial for you. I was so excited to get my hands on this. I actually drove to Sophie's house yesterday and picked it up by hand because I'm going away tomorrow and I was like, I need to film this look today and my PR package from her isn't going to arrive in time, so I was like, I'm coming to your house and getting one because I need to film because I was so excited. So I managed to give her a big old hug and there's no words for Sophie. There is literally no words. I'm sure you all know who she is. I feel like I actually haven't said her YouTube name. Soph Does Nails. I'm sure you all know who Sophie is. I just don't have enough nice words to say about her and I'm so proud, and I will link down below where you can buy this palette if it's still available. Go get it. It's beautiful. Spoiler alert, it's beautiful. So if you guys want to see me create this look and swatch and review the colours, then keep on watching. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. I haven't even opened my palette yet. Here's the packaging. It is rose gold with the nude writing. And then on the back, it has got all of the shade swatches and the name. Please don't look at the state of mine. You can see mine's well loved. It's got foundation all over it. Hang on. Here is the original SOPH and here is Generation 2. So, here are the shades. Wow. You know what I love? She's put the names on here so we can say the names of the shades now, which is handy rather than having just an overlay. I'm so proud I could cry. So as you can see, we've got a really nice array. We've got our neutral kind of wearable shades with these warm oranges and browns, but also some really beautiful shimmers. Shall I swatch some shades? I'm going to swatch LA Sun and Romance and Infinity. Oh, look at those colours. I think I want to do like a sunset eye. I'm going to use Vitamin C, Sweet and Sour, Running Late, 21, probably LA Sun, maybe some mulled wine. I am pumped. Shall we just get the show on the road? I know myself and I know I probably rambled a lot at the beginning of this video. The first colour I'm going to take is this beautiful Sunshine Yellow called Vitamin C. I'm just priming my lid with a bit of concealer. Right, in with Vitamin C. As I expected, this is blending really, really beautifully. This yellow is so nice. I look so crazy with my bright yellow eyeshadow and nothing else on my face. I'm also really sorry if my eyes look a bit red. My hay fever is really acting up on me today. Wow, this colour builds up so well. I also love that there's a massive mirror. So you can just use the mirror in the palette. Because it's so big, it's perfect for travel. I'm so glad she's put a yellow eyeshadow in this. You know I love a yellow eyeshadow. I'm just waiting for the shade to be named Rectangle, you know? Maybe Generation 3, who knows? Wow. Okay, next I am going in with Sweet and Sour. And this is going through the crease. I promised Soph I wasn't going to use the neutrals. And I've gone for a friggin' orange, but it's not going to be a warm, smoky eye, I promise. Going back in with the yellow. I'm now going to go in with another brush, and I'm going to take 21. And I'm going to push this onto the lid. Ooh, this is like a raspberry red. That's such a nice colour. And I'm just softly blending it up into the orange. I've got 3 different brushes, a red, an orange and a yellow. I recommend you do the same just so you can kind of add where is needed. So I'm now going back in with more orange. Alright, now I'm going to just take a bit of mulled wine, which is this beautiful purple. And I'm just going to apply this lightly to the lash line. I'm going to mix in a little bit of Enchanted just so it's a bit darker. Right at the base of the lid. These colours build so nicely. You can just put one on top of the other on top of the other. And they don't just flake off. Sorry, my email. They keep their vibrancy. And we've just used matte shades at this point. I'm going to leave that there for now. And then I'm going to move on to the face. And I'll come back to the eyes when I kind of know where I want to go with the rest of it. I'm using all affordable products today in true Soph style. So I'm going to start by priming my face with the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid. It's not really a primer, it's a liquid highlighter, but I sometimes use this as a primer. I'm really excited for the L'Oreal Glotion to come out in the UK. We can't get it yet, and I hope they bring it over. As my foundation today, I'm actually going to mix 2 together. I'm going to mix the Wet n Wild Photo Focus with a bit of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I want a little bit more coverage than the Pro Glow, but I want it to remain nice and luminous, hence the Pro Glow. Alright guys, I can't believe I've got this far into the video without talking about it. Who is watching Love Island? This is my first year watching it. I've always refused to watch it. I've always been like, I am never watching that show. Like last year I was such a Scrooge and I got so annoyed at everyone always talking about it. But I was like, you know what? This year I'm just going to fully embrace it. Because when I get obsessed with something, I get like properly obsessed. Benefit have launched a new foundation. I literally just got an email. How exciting. So I've been doing like commentary on the episodes on my Instagram stories. I love doing stories. As concealer, I'm actually going to try a new one on camera. These are the EX1 concealers and I picked up the shades 5 and 2.0. 5.0 and 2.0. And this says it's the full cover delete fluid. So I'm going to take 5.0 and hopefully it's an okay colour. Oh my god, that's thick. I was not expecting that. Wow, she thick. Definitely covering some things, isn't it? And then to highlight my nose, I'm going to use my Collection. I'm also just going to put a bit of this under my eye as well to brighten it up. Not that I need to be brightened anymore. I'm looking a bit ghostly pale actually. I don't know if it's the lights or the foundation, but I'm not looking particularly tan right now. I'm going to use my Rimmel Match Perfection powder to set the concealer. I'm going in with a little shader brush and I'm going back in with Enchanted. One more layer. Now under the eyes, I am going to match what's on the top. Taking the yellow and then blending that yellow to the yellow at the top. Going in with a bit of orange, a bit of the red, and then finally a bit of Enchanted. I'm going in with a little bit of my NYX Jumbo eyeshadow pencil in Milk. Stamping that right in the inner corner. And I'm going to take some LA Sun. Yeah, push that on top. That's beautiful. That's such a lovely gold. As my mascara, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara and try my best not to smudge it everywhere. I wanted to do something completely different to my look with the first palette, which I will link down below. I'm going to quickly apply some Doll Beauty lashes and then I will be right back. I just contoured my nose and put my lashes on, and these are the eyes. I love them so much. I feel so pale, so I need to bronze a lot. So I'm going to start with my L'Oreal Glam Bronze. It's like a satin finish, and I'm just taking a massive bronzer brush and I'm literally just going in, because I feel like this look is like summer and you gotta be bronzed. The guy at the post office literally sees me with the most ridiculous makeup looks on. It's really funny. And my postman, he sees me with like crazy makeup on and then my pajamas, and he's just like, who is this girl? What do you do for why don't you ever leave your house? And then to contour, I'm going to take my NYX matte bronzer, which I think is a really good dupe for my Bobbi Brown natural bronzer. This is in the shade Deep, by the way. I'm just going to wear my Milani Luminoso blush because it's the perfect tone. And you don't need a lot of blush with this. Just a hint. And now I'm going to go in with a throwback SOPH product. I'm going to obviously use her highlight palette. I'm going to mix together these two shades here. They're so blinding. SOPH not only has launched a second palette, she has also brought out 3 lipsticks, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to try them. So she's got Cake, Fudge and Syrup. First shade is Cake, which is this gorgeous kind of, it's more pink than the other two, but it's still very much like like a deep pink brown tone nude, and it's got SOPH embossed in it. That's a stunning colour. And these are like a cream sheen kind of finish. The next one is Syrup, a kind of mid-toned nude, slightly on the darker side, again very brown toned. That's that there, again stunning shade. And then finally we have Fudge, which is a very warm dark brown. Those are all beautiful colours. Honestly, I don't know which one I want to wear. I think I'm going to go for Cake. My lips are unbelievably dry right now, so I'm actually quite glad that these aren't matte. I'm just lining my lip with Soar from MAC. I'm going to wear all 3. I'm going to start with Fudge. That's a stunning formula. Oh my god. That's really opaque, creamy. That's Fudge on my lips. Next we've got Syrup. Oh, I think we all know this is a very me colour. Oh, that's so pretty. And then finally Cake. Cake is the winner for this look. Honestly, I would wear all 3 of those colours, and I'm so glad. This is such a comfortable formula. I'm so proud. Alright, you guys, here is the completed look. We've gone sunset, summer, beach, pool party ready. I wouldn't wear this to a pool party, it would just come off, but guys, these eyeshadows are so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have linked everything down below. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little cheeky drugstore tutorial from me. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!